guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your Xbox remote play not working. So first of all, you're going to have to make sure that your gaming console is on sleep mode and not fully shut down. Once you do that, you may go ahead, try again and see if it changes anything. Next, if it's still not working, then you can clear some browser cache. For that, open a browser, select three-dot icon, scroll below, select settings. Under settings, select privacy and security. Select delete browsing data and go ahead and delete some cache or data if you would like to do so. Once done, all you have to do is open your command prompt. For that, type in cmd, select run as administrator, and you will see a page like this. Here type in ipconfig, type in /flush DNS, and then enter. And once you see this successful message, close this, restart the device, try again, and it will work.